Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. If you are new on my channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of newly uploaded videos. In the last video, we have completed first 7 examples from question number 2 of first exercise 3.1. Now we are solving remaining 5 examples from question number 2. See the example number 7. Here we have to show that value of tan 5a minus tan 3a divided by tan 5a plus tan 3a is equal to sin 2a into sin 8a. As the right hand side is in the form of sine, so first we are converting it in terms of sine and what cos. So tan 5a can be written as sin 5a upon cos 5a minus, keep it as it is, tan 3a can be written as sin 3a divided by cos 3a. In the denominator, tan 5a can be replaced by sin 5a upon cos 5a plus, keep it as it is, tan 3a can be written as sin 3a upon cos 3a. So which is equals to. Now observe the numerator very carefully. Here we are able to take the cross multiplication. So if we are taking cross multiplication, let us see what we'll get. Sin 5a into cos 3a minus cos 5a into sin 3a divided by what we'll get here, cos 5a into cos 3a. Just simply we have taken here cross multiplication. In the same way, if we are taking cross multiplication in denominator, let us see what we'll get. Again here sin 5a into cos 3a plus cos 5a into sin 3a, cos 5a into sin 3a divided by what? Cos 5a into cos 5a into cos 3a. Simply we have taken multiplication, cross multiplication in both numerator also and denominator also, and we have got this result. Here we can observe that cos 5a into cos 5a into cos 3a from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. After cancelling cos 5a into cos 3a, observe the remaining term very carefully. Observe this term. It is in the form of sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. What is the value of a here? 5a. Check that. Same value is here. Yes. And b is what? 3a. Check that here also we are getting 3a. And in the denominator, terms are in the form of sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Means terms are in the form of first two formulas. In the numerator, we are applying second formula. According to second formula, sin a into cos b. Observe second formula. Sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b can be replaced by what? Sin a minus b. So here this numerator can be replaced by sin a minus b. What is a? 5a minus b. B is what here? What is the value of b? 3a. And in the denominator, terms are in the form of sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b will be equal to sin a means what? 5a plus b means what here? 3a. So which is equal to sin, keep it as it is, 5a minus 3a will be equal to 2a, and in the denominator 5a plus 3a will be equal to 8a, means sin 8a. In this way we have got our required right hand side. Now observe the example number 9th. In this example, we have to show that tan 8 theta minus tan 5 theta minus tan 3 theta is equal to tan 8 theta into tan 5 theta into tan 3 theta. So very interesting example is there. Observe the terms very carefully. Generally what we are doing, we are considering either the left hand side and try to show that right hand side, or consider right hand side, try to show that its value is equal to left hand side. But in this example, we are using some different techniques. So that's why I am saying that observe the example very carefully. So tan 8 theta means one angle is what? 8 theta, another is 5 theta, another is what? 3 theta. So if you'll observe, greatest is what? 8 theta, and if you'll observe smaller two angle 5 theta and 3 theta, check their addition will be equals to 8 theta. Yes, 5 theta plus 3 theta will be equal to what? 8 theta. So that's why whenever we are solving such example, so make the use of this formula. Which formula? Tan a plus b. So here tan 8 theta, can I write it as tan 8 theta can be written as what? Phi theta plus 3 theta. Phi theta plus 3 theta means tan 8 theta can be written as tan phi theta plus 3 theta, isn't it? So now the right hand side we have arranged, or this term we have arranged in the form of what? Tan a plus b. Apply here the formula of tan a plus b. According to the formula of tan a plus b, what result we will get? Tan a means phi theta plus tan b means what? 3 theta, and in the denominator 1 minus tan a into tan b. A is phi theta into tan b means what? 3 theta. On this side tan 8 theta, keep it as it is. Now we will observe here we have got one equation in terms of what? Tan 3 theta, tan phi theta and tan 8 theta. Now we have to simplify this equation till we will get our what? Required result. So to get our required result, let us simplify it. So this term will get multiplied on this side. So on this side what we will get here? Tan 8 theta into 1 minus tan phi theta into tan 3 theta, and on the right hand side remaining term is tan phi theta plus tan 3 theta. Just this term I am shifting on this side. On this side it will get multiplied to tan 8 theta. So therefore now I am multiplying by tan 8 theta to both the terms in this bracket. Tan 8 theta into 1 will be equal to tan 8 theta minus multiply by tan 8 theta to second term. What we will get here? Tan 8 theta into tan phi theta into tan 3 theta, and on this side remaining term is tan phi theta plus tan 3 theta, isn't it? Now in our required result, which is the first term, tan 8 theta, so keep this tan 8 theta as it is. Tan 8 theta as it is. This plus term on this side will become minus tan phi theta. Again this plus term on this side will become minus tan 3 theta, and on the right hand side, which is the required term, tan 8 theta into tan phi theta into tan 3 theta. So this term also already we have got here, just we have to shift it on the another side. So this minus term on the right hand side will become plus, and what result we will get? Tan 8 theta into tan phi theta into tan 3 theta. Just using transformation we have got our required result. These both term plus on this side, so on this side it will become minus, and this minus term on this side will become plus, and this is nothing but our required result. Now see the example number 10th. In the example number 10th we have to show that tan 50 degree is equal to tan 40 degree plus twice tan 10 degrees. So here also if you observe the terms very carefully, greatest angle is 50 and smallest two angles are what? 40 degree and 10 degree. Check that addition of 40 and 10, is it equals to 50 degree? So here also we are using the method which we have applied in the last example. So observe the term here. So tan 50 degree can be written as tan, this 50 can be split up as 40 degree plus 10 degree, because in our expression terms are related with what? Tan 50, tan 40 degree and tan 10 degree. Now we have arranged the term in the form of tan a plus b. So apply this formula. What result we will get? Tan a plus b will be equals to tan a plus tan b. B is what here? 10 degree divided by 1 minus tan a is 40 degree into tan b. B is what? 10 degrees, isn't it? So now whole expression is in terms of what? Tan 50 degree, tan 40 degree and tan 10 degree simplified to get our required result. So this term will get multiplied on this side, means on this side we will get tan 50 degree into 1 minus tan 40 degree into tan 10 degrees, and on the right hand side tan 40 degree plus tan 10 degrees, keep it as it is. Just simply this term is divided, on this side it will get multiplied with tan 50 degree. Now I am multiplying by tan 50 degree to both the terms in this bracket. See what we'll get. Tan 50 degree into 1 will be equal to tan 50 degree, and if I am multiplying to second term, what will get? Tan 50 degree into tan 40 degree into tan 10 degrees, and on this side tan 40 degree plus tan 10 degrees, keep it as it is. Now we have to simplify this equation in such a way that we should have to get our what required result. Now observe our left hand side, tan 50. Yes, we have got here tan 50. On the right hand side, what is the first required term? Tan 40. Already here we have got tan 40, and second term is twice 10 degrees, twice tan 10 degrees. So here only one term of tan 10 degrees there. Again we will require one term, so that tan 10 degrees plus tan 10 degrees will become what? Twice tan 10 degrees, isn't it? So now here we have to simplify this term in such a way that these two terms will get cancelled. If we are able to cancel these two terms, then what is remaining term? Minus tan 10 degrees. Minus tan on this side will become plus tan, and tan 10 plus tan 10 will be equals to twice tan 10 degrees, isn't it? So let us simplify it in such a way that these two terms will get cancel. So now observe it very carefully. So keep this tan 50 degrees as it is, tan 50 degrees as it is, minus, I am not disturbing to tan keep it as it is. Can I write 50 degrees as 90 minus 40? Yes, 50 can be written as what? 90 minus 40, because 90 minus 40 is what? 50 degree. Keep remaining term as it is, tan 40 degrees into tan 10 degrees, and on this side also keep this term as it is. What is the right hand side here? So which is equal to tan 40 degrees plus tan 10 degrees, isn't it? So which is equal to, or therefore keep the first term as it is, tan 50 degrees as it is, minus also as it is. In your earlier classes, means in 10th standard, you have studied trigonometric ratios of complementary angle, and in that case you have proved that tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta will be equals to what? Cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta means theta is how much? 40 degree. So tan 90 minus theta will be equal to what? Cot theta. Keep remaining term as it is into tan 40. Otherwise, parallelly, I am replacing this tan 40 by 1 upon cot 40, because tan can be written as what? 1 upon cot, using interrelation between trigonometric ratios. So on this side, tan 40 degrees plus tan 10 degrees, keep it as it is. Now here we can easily observe that tan 40 and cot 40 degree from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So what is the remaining first term here? Tan 50 degree is equals to, what is the remaining term here? Minus tan 10, and minus tan 10 on this side will become plus tan 10. So tan 40 degree plus tan 10 degrees, keep it as it is, and this minus term on this side will become plus tan 10 degrees. So which is equals to, keep this tan 40 degrees as it is, tan 10 degrees plus tan 10 degree will be twice tan 10 degrees, and keep this side tan 50 degrees as it is. In this way we have got our required result. Now observe the example number 11th. In this case, what is left hand side? Cos 27 degrees plus sin 27 degrees divided by cos 27 degrees minus sin 27 degrees is equals to what? Tan 72 degrees. Our required result is in terms of tan, so we will simplify this left hand side in such a way that result will get converted into what? Tan. So well, to convert it into terms of tan, we have to use which method? Tan can be written as sin upon cos, means we have to divide by cos to numerator and denominator so that it will get converted into what? Tan. So I am dividing to numerator also by cos 27, and that's why we have to divide to denominator also by cos 27 degrees. So what we will get in the numerator? Cos 27 degrees upon cos 27 plus sin 27 degrees divided by cos 27 degrees. As we are dividing to numerator by cos 27, so divide to denominator also by cos 27 degrees. So here we will get sin 27 degrees divided by cos 27 degrees. Now let us simplify it. So which is equal to, now here cos and cos will get cancelled, remaining term is 1 plus sin upon cos will be equals to tan 27 degrees. Here cos and cos will get cancelled, minus, keep it as it is, sin upon cos will be equals to what? Tan 27 degrees. So let us simplify it. So which is equals to We know that 1 is nothing but value of what? Tan 45. So here 1 can be replaced by tan 45 degrees plus tan 27 degrees. Keep it as it is. Just we are trying to arrange the term in the form of this formula. So tan A plus tan B. Now numerator is in the form of tan A plus tan B. In the denominator what will require? 1 minus what? Tan A into tan B. Already here 1 minus is already there. Tan 27. Can I write it as tan 45 into tan 27? Yes, because tan 45 is what? 1, and 1 into tan 27 is tan 27, means tan 27 can be written as tan 45 into tan 27. Now if you observe the terms are exactly in the form of this formula, and this term can be replaced by what? Tan A plus B according to compound angle formula. So its value will be equals to tan A means what? 45 degree plus B means what? 27 degrees. So which is equal to tan, keep it as it is, 45 plus 27 will be equal to what? 72 degree. Check it. Check that addition you are getting same result or not. In this way we have got our required result. Again, one very interesting example is given here. So observe the terms here very carefully. So tan 10 degrees plus tan 35 degrees plus tan 10 degrees into tan 35 is equals to 1. If you observe the angles here, 10 degrees and 35 degrees, and we don't know the values of trigonometric ratios for these angles, isn't it? We are able to find out using log table, but directly we are not able to find out these values. And on this side 1 is there, and we know that 1 is nothing but value of what? Tan 45. And here we can observe that 10 plus 35 will be equal to 45, isn't it? And tan 45 can be replaced by what? 1, means 45 degree can be split up as what? 10 degree plus 35 degree. So that's why here we are starting this example with tan 45 degree, and lastly tan 45 degree does not appear in this expression, so it can be replaced by its value 1. So but this 45 degree can be split up as 10 plus 35. 10 plus what? 35, means 45 degree can be written as 10 degree plus 35 degree. Now the terms on this side are in the form of tan A plus B. So apply the formula of tan A plus B. What result we will get here? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, and on this side tan 45 will be equals to 1. Now whole expression is in terms of what? Tan 10 and tan 35. Simplifying this expression we will try to get our required result. So this term will get multiplied on this side. So on this side we will get 1 into 1 minus tan 10 degrees. Otherwise not necessary to write 1 here, because 1 minus tan 10 into tan 35 will be equals to 1 minus tan 10 degrees into tan 35 degrees, and on this side tan 10 degrees plus tan 35 degree, keep it as it is. So therefore it can be written as, now shift this term on this side. We are trying to arrange the term to get our required result. So keep this first term tan 10 degrees as it is plus tan 35 degree also as it is, and here this plus term on this side will, minus term on this side will become plus tan 10 degrees into tan 35 degree is equal to, and now what is the remaining term on this side? 1, means simply I am shifting this minus term on this side, it will become plus, and here remaining term is 1, and in this way we have got our required result. Now see the example number 13th. In this case we have considered this left hand side, and if you observe the required result is in terms of what? Cos. That's why we are converting this cot in terms of sine and cos, and simplifying it we will try to get our required result. So cot A can be replaced by cos A upon sine A into, again cot 4A can be replaced by cos 4A upon sine 4A plus 1, keep it as it is, and in the denominator again cot can be replaced by cos A upon sine A into cot 4a can be replaced by cos 4a divided by sin 4a minus 1, keep it as it is. So which is equals to, now we are taking cross multiplication in both numerator and denominator. Here nothing is in the denominator, means 1 is there. 1 into cos a into cos 4a will be equal to cos a into cos 4a. Cos 4a minus, and this term will get multiplied, so on this side we'll get sin a into sin 4a, and in the denominator what we are getting here, nothing is there, means 1 into sin a into sin 4a will be equal to sin a into sin 4a. Just simply we have taken here cross multiplication. Same method we are applying in the denominator. Let us see what we'll get here. Here we will get cos a into cos 4a minus sin a into sin 4a. We have taken cross multiplication, and in the denominator we will get sin a into sin 4a, sin a into sin 4a. Now check the numerator and denominator very carefully. Here sin a into sin 4a, sin a into sin 4a will get cancelled. Now observe the remaining terms in the numerator. So now cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b, means terms can be arranged in the form of this formula, but just simply I am writing first the terms with the greater angle. So which is the greater angle here? Here plus is there, so write down here plus. Okay, so here plus is there. So now observe here, first write down the term with greater angle, cos 4a into cos a. We know that a into b can be written as what? B into a. In the same way, cos a into cos 4a can be written as cos 4a into cos a. Just we are shifting term with greater angle. We are writing term with greater angle first. Here also we are using same method. First write down sin 4a, then write down into sin a. Use the same method in the denominator. Denominator can be written as cos 4a into cos a minus sin 4a into what? Sin a. So which is equals to, now if you observe here numerator very carefully, it is in the form of cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b, which is nothing but formula of cos a minus b. What is a here? 4a, and b is nothing but what? A. So 4a and b is a. In the denominator, terms are in the form of cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b, which is the value of cos a plus b. A is 4a plus b is a. So which is equal to, so cos 4a minus a is 3a, and in the denominator cos 4a plus a will be equal to 5a, and that is nothing but our required result. In this way, using left hand side, we have shown that its value is equal to what? Right hand side. Now see the last example from question number 2, that is example number 14th. So in this case, this is the left hand side. Simplifying, we have to show that its value is equal to what? 1 by root 3. And if you observe the table of trigonometric ratios for various angle, you will come to know that 1 by root 3 is the value of what? Tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees means to get our required result, we will try to convert this expression in terms of what? Tan. And tan means what? Sin upon cos. Means to get tan, we have to divide to numerator and denominator by cos. So I am dividing numerator also by cos and denominator also by cos. And here angle is what? 15 degrees. Means we are dividing to numerator by cos 15 degrees. And that's why we are dividing to denominator also by cos 15 degrees. In the same way, we are dividing here by cos 15 degrees. So cos 15 upon cos 15 plus, here we will get sin 15 degrees upon cos 15 degrees. So which is equals to, now observe here, cos and cos will get cancelled, minus keep it as it is, sin upon cos will be equals to tan 15 degrees. Here also cos will get cancelled, plus sin upon cos will be equals to what? Tan 15 degrees. So which is equals to, now we are trying to arrange the term in the form of this formula. So which is equals to, because in the numerator minus and denominator is what? Two terms are connected by plus. Means easily here minus is there, here plus is there. So that's we are trying to arrange the term in the form of that formula. So 1 can be replaced by what? Tan 45 degrees. minus tan 15 degrees. Keep it as it is. In the denominator, observe the denominator very carefully. 1 plus, keep it as it is. But what is the second term? Tan A into tan B. So we are not disturbing to tan 15 degrees, but here its coefficient is what? Nothing is there, means 1 is there, and 1 can be written as what? Tan 45 degrees. Why we are writing 1 as tan 45? Just we are trying to arrange the term in the form of that compound angle formula. So which is equals to, now it can be written as tan, it is in the form of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B, which is the value of tan A minus B. Here we can observe that A is 45 and B is how much? 15 degrees. So which is equals to 45 minus 15 is 30 degree, and we know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. In this way we have completed question number 2. Again 2-3 questions are remaining from this exercise. We will discuss this 2-3 question in the next video. So subscribe the channel if you like the videos and hit the bell icon to get notifications of newly uploaded videos.